Subscribe this channel for more videos and press the bell icon for latest updates.
You stole my heart of gold after.
Hello guys, what is going on? This is Arjun and today I have this package from MI which contains the MI Power Bank 2i. Let's open this package. Here we have the simple white box with power bank photo on the front. Below the power bank photo we get the name of the power bank, which is Power Bank 2i. Here on the side we get the MI logo, and on the back side of this box we get the details about this power bank. This power bank can full charge MI A1 2.2 times and iPhone 7 3.5 times. This power bank contains the 10,000 mAh Li polymer battery. It has micro USB input port and USB-A output port. Below we get this security code strip to avoid the counterfeiting of the product. Now let's see what we got inside this box. We get a box inside a box, that's nice. Here we have this user guide. So that's all inside this first box. First we get the name of the power bank on the top of the user guide, followed by the MI logo on the bottom. Inside this user guide you get the product overview, and on the back side we get this detailed guide for how to use the security code strip to find whether this product is genuine or not. Let's see what's inside this box. On the top right corner we get this pull tab. Under this we get the micro USB to USB cable to charge this power bank, or Android phone with micro USB port. Now we get the power bank itself inside this plastic wrapper. Here on the top we get all the ports. The body of this power bank is made from aluminum and the quality of this power bank feels very premium. Here on the bottom we get the product details like capacity, model number, etc. On the top we get the 2 USB port to charge 2 phones at the same time, 1 micro USB port to charge the power bank itself, followed by the battery indicator and power button. Now let's try to charge the phone. You just have to plug the one end of the cable into the phone and the one into the power bank to start charging. You can use this same cable to charge this power bank by inserting the micro USB side of the cable into the micro USB port of the power bank, or you can use the micro USB phone charger to charge this power bank like this. Right now the power bank is 1/4 charged from the full capacity. So guys, that's all about this video. If you like this video then give thumbs up and subscribe this channel to view more videos like this in the future. Also press the bell icon to get the notification from this channel. Until then, that's been it. Talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.